you how to make manure. We're going to not throw away. All this is what? All these are your waste. You know, everyday mama cuts vegetables and everything. What do we do with them? Just chuck them all together. Today I'm going to tell you that this is not right. This is because we should make use of this. This is waste, but it can be made into manure, and we can grow plants with this. You like growing plants, no? The other day also we put some seeds and it grew. So we make them grow really healthy. It's good to make the plants grow so that we can make fruits, we can pluck fruits from the trees and also eat vegetables and all that. So for that, Auntie will teach you today to make manure. Okay, it's so simple. So today we're going to tell you how this khamba works. This is a 3-tier composter, earthenware. It is made out of terracotta. This is only a replica for mainly used to teach children. Otherwise, we have a bigger model for regular use in households. And this is 3 of them which we have kept one on top of the other. Now if you see, this is a regular pot. Okay, it has a regular bottom. This one doesn't have a bottom. It has some mesh. That's all. So we're going to keep why mesh. Ask me why mesh? Because for composting we need 2 things. One is air, one is water. Water is already there in all these peels. Okay, and for aeration we have kept it so that air will pass through, and there are small holes on the sides, if you see. Through all these holes, air will go in. So inside whatever is there will get aerated, and also there will be water in the vegetable peels and things like that. So to make all this into manure, what we have to first do it, as soon as we throw this, it should not fall down. So we just crush a newspaper like this, just crush it and throw it into this. See, like this? See how I have crushed? Can you see? Now it's crushed and I have thrown it into this, and I am going to keep one on top of other, all 3 pots, right? So this is the vegetable waste, you know, after chopping carrots. What are the things there? Tell me. Tell me what are the
peels.
Yeah.
Garlic peels, onion
And
peels.
beans and potato peels. All the peels are here.
Peels.
Carrot peels. All the peels are here. So along with that, we'll also throw. What is this? These are dry leaves. So these dry leaves also, 1 handful, as much as of the garbage. To throw 1 handful. Now if you see, it is almost half full. Okay, can you see it? Now what we are going to do is keep it closed. Okay, now this is, today is over, tomorrow, day after next day also with same thing. We put some more peel, then put some more leaves, keep it covered. So in about, if you keep opening it every 3rd or 4th day, it would have become so less. See, because it starts shrinking. After some time it starts shrinking, so it becomes small in size, it reduces in size, but it will also stick to each other because it's still wet and all that. So we take something like a rake and try to turn the garbage like this, turning the waste, so that they don't stick to each other and air passes through air passes through all the particles that are there inside. Then once in about 3-4 days, we're going to add something called bioculum. It's a bacteria. 1 spoon of it, that's all. Not much. You can cover it with now. So 1 spoon we've added. What does this bioculum do? It accelerates composting. Accelerate means makes it faster into manure. So what will happen? It will start becoming manure fast. Whatever you waste from your plate, you should take it with. So you keep this down and bring this empty can up. So that is full, and now this is empty. So now in this also same thing you'll do. You'll crush 1 paper, throw it.
So it can become even more food.
Yes, every day you can keep throwing food. You understood? Every day. To every day you must. I'll give you 1 set in your house. So you keep it.
Leaves.
Yeah, leaves.
Nuts.
Yeah, and you put all the vegetables every day into this. It will become, what will it become?
Manure.
Manure. What do you do with the manure? Give it to the plants to eat. Yeah, so that plants will grow really well. Okay, and another thing is we're not throwing our garbage out, your waste out. If you throw your waste out, what happens in the street?
It becomes dirty.
Dirty, stinky, and you don't want to go near that waste bin. So we don't throw anything that is smelly, which is slimy, which is degradable, we will not throw out. We shall compost it at home, and so our household will become zero waste. Only particles that are all biodegradable ones should go into a khamba, or you can use different methods for composting. This is one of the methods of composting, easy method of composting, and anybody can do it. Even small children can do it. They can start with, putting in whatever is left over in their plates, also the salad and other things. And once they start with this, automatically children are our future, they educate everybody.